I had an opportunity to firsthand see the devastation that this record Category 5 hurricane has caused on the nation. A story from one of my linemen said his wife got a seizure when the door and the window was blown off, but he has not gotten a chance to go home and be with her because of the nature of the roads. So how have we been doing? As of this morning, we restored 206,000 customers. So we moved from 77% of customers without service to a significant milestone of having just under 50% of customers without service.